Hi everyone, is Gmail not opening on your Android phone? Don't worry, here are some easy fixes you can try. Step 1. Check internet connection. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Gmail may not open correctly without an internet connection. Step 2. Refresh Gmail app. Close the Gmail app completely from recent apps. Wait a few seconds, then open Gmail again. Sometimes the apps get stuck temporarily and reopening it can fix the issue. Step 3. Check app permissions. Go to Settings, Storage, Apps, Gmail, Permissions. Make sure the required permissions are enabled. Step 4. Free up phone storage. If your phone storage is almost full, some apps may stop working properly. Delete unwanted files, videos, or apps and free up space. Step 5. Update Gmail app. Open the Play Store and search for Gmail. If an update is available, install it and then try opening Gmail again. Step 6. Check Android System Web View. Open the Play Store and search for Android System Web View. Make sure it is updated because many Android apps depend on it to work properly. Final tip. If Gmail still does not open, try opening your emails from a web browser by visiting gmail.com. This can help you confirm whether the issue is with the app or your account. And that's it. These steps should help fix Gmail not opening on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy Android tips.